Hi traders, welcome back to the Humble Beginning series. This is going to be our third trade. The pair is GBP USD. I'm going to put a sell limit order once price comes back to my highlighted level, and we'll see how it goes. A sell limit order has been placed. We are going to risk 1:1. And once our take profit has been hit, we are just going to observe price and we'll see how it pans out. Our take profit has been hit. We were able to get 28 pips from this trade. As you can clearly see, our balance is at $220. And with patience and discipline, I believe we can take this account to $1,000. So I want to inspire each and every one of you, anyone who has a small account, if you are just patient enough and dedicated, you can be able to achieve it. We are not going to over leverage in this account, and money management is going to be our key foundation for this series. So if you enjoy this content, don't forget to like, share, and I'll be grateful. Cheers, guys.